akong drawing.
What type of technology display boundary did you perform? Ano po? What is the movement of the plate boundary an arrow represents the movement? Ganito po. Ano? Draw what happened after the movement. What does it look like? Ganito po.
Pulo yung karton? Ito lang ang pulo yung karton.
Marami lang po, ma'am. Ito po yung before. Before and after. Yung ano. Yun yung mga tatlo. Yun yung tatlo. First time. After.
Okay, may group 1, group 2, grabe na sa group 2. Last one is group 3. What type of tectonic plate boundary is the perform? Transform tectonic plate boundary.
The first one na.
Transformer naman.
Wow, nag-respond siya. Hindi.
What is the movement of that plate boundary? Use an arrow represent the movement below. Next slide, 2 slides other. Then draw what happened after the movement. What does it look like?
Galing. Architect.
It looks like parallel lines po. Then what landform district will be created when the boundary movement of two? So nag-create po siya ng two boundaries. Okay, thank you. 3, chapter for 3. So yung mga members, kumuha na lang ng price dun sa box. So kung papansin natin, so dito muna tayo sa worksheet. Balikan natin yung rubric. Una is complete the group finish all the task. Yung task is yung mismo activity and yung worksheet. So, sa group 3, matapos naman nila, meron silang sagot ng number 4. Sa group 2,
Yan.
bakit wala pong sagot yung number 4?
Nakalimutan ko, ma'am.
Bakit?
Hindi ko alam.
Ay, buko naman tayo. And group 1, wala rin silang sagot sa 4. So, magkakaroon tayo ng deduction sa first standard natin. So, meron lang kayo 4 points. So, then ay borrow ball pen.
Alam mo.
4. So, yung group 3 lang yung 9, 5 points. So, order and clean. So, may may ano block yun nandito? Ano gagawin sa basura? Sino mo lang yung balita?
Hoy,
Iya. Sige, yan po kumain ka naman.
Bayang
Ay, naman na ba yan?
Bayang doon sa lahat.
Ano dito ah? Ay, zero lang pala eh. Dapat zero na oh.
Yay!
Group 2 ka next. Operation. Sinong group yung meron dito? Wala.
Ano ko po yung group 3? Hindi ako kumakain na.
Now, I have your question. Can you read and answer? Number 1. Wala nagtataas ng kamay. Number 2. 1. What are the things that we should do before an earthquake or volcanic eruption? kailangan po alamin muna natin kung ano yung mga posibleng mangyari and mag-ready po. Okay, number 2. Janeline. Ano po? During earthquake and volcanic eruption po, dapat po nasa ligtas na lugar lang po tayo, tapos don't panic. Okay, don't panic daw. Important na hindi tayo nagpapanic kahit ano sa kalagitnaan tayo ng isang natural disaster. Number 3. Sino sasagot? Wala daw po.
Napipili ko ako, ma'am.
Hindi ako. Sige, ikaw na lang. Kasi namimili ka eh. Ikaw na lang. Ikaw na lang. Number 2.
What are the things that we should do after an earthquake or volcanic eruption? Ano po? Mag-free lang po muna. Ano, wait lang po yung ano.
Anong yung wait?
Wait lang po yung wait lang po yung sasabihin ng ano. Nung government pwede nang lumabas. Bawal lumabas, bawal lumabas.
Bakit importante mag-wait muna?
Baka po kasi meron pang after. Oh? Ganun lang.
Literal ba na
Yun po.
literal ba na aftershock, Lauren? Hindi po. Okay lang siya.
Baka po sinagpanik siguro.
Okay, number 4.
Ay, great.
Number 4. Grace.
Great.
Si Angelica. Gusto ko si Angelica.
What might happen to us if we do not know what to do during those times? Why? So if hindi mo natin alam kung gagawin mo natin, may possibility po na maaaring po tayong mamatay or magkakaroon.
Mamamatay agad. Hindi pwede ma-accident din muna.
Nabubusok po ng bahay.
Okay, very good, Angelica. Number 5, last. Grabe, wala pa.
Yula pa.
Yula po.
Number 3. 1, 3.
How learning about earthquakes and volcanic eruptions help us to manage this kind of natural disaster. So kapag pinag-aaral po natin ang earthquake and volcanic eruptions, malalaman po natin kung paano tayo, ano po yung mga dapat natin po before doing it.
Okay, very good. Malalaman natin kung ano yung appropriate na gawin before, during, and after the earthquake and volcanic eruption. Now, I want you to get, okay, meron tayo ditong table. So, when someone read the direction, you lang.
Directions. Complete the table below by putting words, phrases, and sentences around the things that are appropriate to do before, during, and after an earthquake or volcanic eruption if you want to.
Okay, kung nasa school ka daw, ano kaya gagawin mo before, during, and after an earthquake? Kung tama nasa school ka, tapos nagkaroon ng earthquake, or yung school nyo malapit sa volcano and nagkaroon ng eruption, ano gagawin mo kung nasa school ka?
Ma'am!
Okay, I want someone, nag-iisa, isang before, during, and after. Angelica,
Julie.
Lawrence, and Jennifer. Ito ako. Okay, isa-isa lang. Isa lang kasi ako. Okay, sabi ko lang. Ano gagawin kaya ni Angelica before the earthquake? Tawag sa after. Okay. So, tingnan natin yung sagot nila. Before an earthquake,